Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 11 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. But in your case, just make sure that the content you want to capture is visible on your display. From there, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the sound along with this pop-up. It also gives us an info that we can do the same thing with a 3-finger swipe down, which I'm going to select cut it and demonstrate that as well. And as you can see, same effect. Now once you capture your screenshot, you can then find it in your Photos application. Disregard this. So typically you would be located in the Photos tab, and as you probably see, there is no screenshots here. So what you want to do is navigate into your library and then Screenshots folder, which will be automatically created when you capture your first screenshot or first screen recording. And in here you'll find all the screenshots that I have captured over the time along with the screen recordings, but we're primarily caring about the screenshots. So there they are. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.